Okay, so down here, there's a clip over here. There's two ends to the clip. Push these two out and down, and that will release the main shifter line from the big pole. And then this guy is just a pin. You pull the pin out and it slides off. When removing these, you just have to push you hold from here, and then you push it towards you. So you push this way, it releases, and then you pull it up at the same time. It requires a little bit of force. Over here, you extend this bar to make it reach the pin. So you just turn this. As you turn, it extends until both sides are as flat as possible, and the pin is able to enter on that line over there. I put blue Loctite on all the base bolts. You stack the two spacers on top of each other. Stack both spacers on top. Put the washer right under the bolt, right like this. Blue Loctite. I also put blue Loctite on this and this. For grease, I grease this section, this section in here, and I'm also going to grease the rod up here. Under this ball joint, there's a little plastic bit as well that you remove from your OEM shifter. It's a bit of a pain. They show how to do it in the Boomba install video. So if you watch that, you'll see how they removed it. That's how I did it too. I used the wrench and a hammer to take it off. You want the shifter at neutral to be completely straight. So back here inside, there's this big bolt. If you look at the CAE directions, it'll show you which one it is. You loosen that big bolt, make sure it's straight. Once it's straight, tighten the bolt. Don't over tighten, just needs a little bit, maybe like just a few Newton meters of force. And then the CAE video goes into the 3 bolts that are over here that help with the other gears. So the big bolt underneath is just for 3 and 4. For 1 and 2, it's gonna be this one on the left for 1 and 2. The one in the back for reverse, and then this one on the left is for 5 and 6. So you adjust the length of the bolts so that when you move it into gear, you can see I went to 5th. You can see it's hitting it. So this controls the gates, how big your gates are. You want to make sure you're able to go into gear easily. So I tighten these down until I'm able to get into gear with the tightest spacing possible, so that the shifter is solid. I think that covers it so far for everything. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions.